I heard from a friend of a friend that was a 10 out of 10. Mid? Don't call her that. She's literally so pretty.
How do you know that they're talking about me, though?
Do you have a boyfriend? No, I'm single.
For a reason. I like your nails. Where'd you get it done? Oh, thank you. I actually did them myself.
We can tell. Oh my god, Jake doing the live. Hi, Jake. Oh my god, Jake.
Oh my god,
Hi.
hi.
Oh my
Hi.
god. What's your Snapchat? Jake, you already have me on Snapchat. What are you talking about? Oh, you meant hers?
Oh my god, of course you can have my Snapchat. It's underscore.
She has chlamydia.
Ay, ang ganda talaga ng shade na to. It's so immaculate. Immaculate? Ano ba? Para naman kayo mga sira. Hoy! 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 Kaya payag ka nang ginanon ka lang, niloki ka lang, pero sa ex na todo makapag-post. Kimi lang, B. Hoy! Be, feeling ko crush ako ng crush ko. Like, hello, ako na to. Ang ganda ko kaya. Hoy! Tapos diba, nakasalubong ko siya. Tapos, ano nangyari? Tapos, ayun, parang na-feel ko yung slow-mo effect. Slow-mo effect? Kimi! Kimi lang, B! Be, parang hindi ka na-grade to dyan.
Oh my god, girl, guess what? Remember how I got placed in the nursing home? Guess what I see right now? Sir, you need to take your heart medicine. I'm spilling tea! Remember Priscilla from high school? Yup, the one that always talks shit about us? She's here right now, looking raggedy as ever. Excuse me, what did you say about looking raggedy as ever? Anyway, so I've been talking to this guy named Earl, and he's like, I'm not ready for a relationship. Bitch, you're 81. Like, your birth certificate already expired. You're already decomposing. What do you mean you're not ready? Ah!
Fuck you right in the bed, let me ride on you, baby. Hey, look, baby.
Uy, Nicole.
Ginawa mo sa'kin like
Bakit eh? Kasi yung research design natin para sa research paper. Hindi ka kasi nag-reply sa GC natin pati sa PM ko. Kailangan na kasi natin ngayon eh. Ay, sorry. Natabunan ata yung mga message. Tsaka na-busy kasi ako. Ganun ba?
Oo, te, busy sa gala mo. Puro ka my day. May pa-chile like a villain ka pa. Dami mo alam. Sana sa research din.
Pero may nagawa naman ako. Ito oh. Thank you. Ano to, te? Ang research design, Y2K, bad bitch, soft girl vibes for the aesthetic. Tapos ito, bumili pa ako ng mga stickers. Paalala mo yun, cute yung design natin. Ano yan? Research design.
Nicole, tinanggal ka na namin sa PETA.
Ay,
ha?
bakit?
Wala ka namang tinulong eh.
Uy, meron kaya.
Sige, ano inambag mo?
Ganda.
Look.
Ganda lang.
Ay, wow, slay sis. At least fresh ka, diba? Kahit bagsak ka.
So why do you want to work at McDonald's? Because I need the money? Excuse me? Because I deeply value McDonald's work culture and it's always been my dream job to become a McDonald's cashier. Can you explain this gap between your resume? Can you explain that gap between your teeth? Excuse me? During my time off, I was busy taking care of my family. But now that I'm ready to join the workforce again, I'm excited to make a huge impact in society by being a cashier. Do you have any questions for us? Yeah. Can you give me the fucking job? I beg your pardon? Give me the Why should we hire you? Because I need to pay rent. Excuse me? Because I always wanted to work at McDonald's and become a cashier. What does going above and beyond for the company mean to you? It means nothing to me. Minimum wage, minimum effort. Period. Excuse me? It means doing everything I can to ensure customer satisfaction. What would you do if an angry customer spilled the drink on the floor? I would mop the floor. Oh, good. I would mop the floor with that motherfucker. Excuse
bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Barbie, sis.
Bakit? May galit ka ba sa akin? Ha? Ba't ganyan ka makatingin? Anong ganyan ka makatingin?
Tingnan mo kaya sa salamin, te.
Bombastic.
Guys, so tingnan nyo galit na galit. Oo nga, ikala mo pa sa lahat ng problema sa mundo. Hala, si ate sinusungitan tayo. Wow, attitude yarn.
Bombastic.
Bakla si Barbie, o ginajudge ata yung buong pagkatao na. Gusto manakit?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side.
Be, ayos ka lang? May problema ba? Mukhang bad trip ka yata. Baliw, ayos lang ako. Bakit? Ba't ganyan ka makatingin? Mukha ka mangangain. Kulang na lang lapain mo si kuya. Ha? Pero ang gwapo niya.
Be, Barbie, pwedeng samahan mo ako sa
Sige,
CR?
tara. Meron akong tissue dito. Gusto mo?
Oo, te, thank you. Hoy, ate, naka-violet.
Ano po yun?
Nagmamaang-maangan ka pa. Kanina mo pa ako tinatarayan. Ano, gusto mo sabong kita sa mima ko? Tara, Oscar Bati. Clarice, pwedeng pairam ng notes mo sa mat
Ayun
kanina.
naman. Ito.
Salamat.
Pakiayos na lang.
Sige, Clarice, may extra ballpen ka pa?
Diyan sa bag.
Thank you. Hoy, ano ba, babe? Huwag ka nga magulo.
Bakit? Hindi naman na.
Ano ba? Kinikiliti mo nga ako.
Pwede huwag kayo masyadong magulo. Baka kasi masanggin nito ka silent ko. Sorry. Hoy, lumayas ka kayo dyan. Storbo kayo, kita niyo may ginagawa yung best friend ko.
Ito kasi ang gulo-gulo. Titigin kita sa leeg.
Hulo.
Hala, sorry.
Ba't kasi ang harap ninyo? Dito pa kayo sa school naglalandian. Kaya alam mo na ba yung chismis kaya
Oo, si cheater na fuckboy.
Gagi si Clarice ba yun?
Oo, te.
Ang galing, hindi ako makapaniwala.
Music to my ears.
Clarice, isa pa nga. Ang relaxing eh. Tapos siya, oh, real talk by Clarice. I'm so proud of you. That's my bestie.